Welcome to Basic Bangla session number 6. আশা করি তোমরা ভালো আছো. আশা করি I hope. তোমরা you. ভালো আছো keeping well. Now come to the next part of this session, that is learning letters. I'm talking about alphabet. We have already learned 20 consonants and today we will learn more 10 of them. So we have two groups. One is P-Barga. That means this one, P-Barga, and Antastha Z-Barga. So two burgers means two burgers, 5 and 5. So more 10 consonant letters today. Pa. This is very simple. Pa means P sound in English. So we have Pat, Papa. Then we have Pot. Pot means path, way. And Pop, that is seen. Paw, paw, football. Then roof, pall. Pall means fruit. And paltu, something insignificant, useless. Paw, bat. Tub, bok. Bok is a bird, crane. And then boy, fear, avoy, no fear. Paw, 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 paw. Then ma, mom. Drum, ma. Ma means mom, mother. And damama. Damama means it's a kind of big drum. In olden days, this drum was beaten during the warfare. So this is all about P-Barga. Once again, pa, pa, ba, ba, ma. Now add some vowel sounds. Pa becomes pa, pa, ba, bha, ma. Or p, p, b, b, me. Or po, po, bo, bo, mo. Or po, po, bo, bo, mo. Or poo, poo, boo, boo, moo. You can change sounds with the help of vowels. The next burger is Z-Barga. That is the sixth burger. And we have this sound. This sounds like either G or J. Jesus, for example. In Bengali it is Jishu, Jesus, or ginger. And then Jodi. Jodi means if, and Jakhon, when. This is Antastha Ja. And Jesus, ginger, Jodi, Jakhon. These are the examples. Next one, Ra, rate, wrong. This is also wrong, but this Bengali wrong means color. And Ghar, ghar means a room. Sometimes it may mean a house or family also. Now next one, La, L sound. Little, pearl, lota. Lota means creepers, branches. And fall. Fall means fruit. Then ba sound. This sound is obsolete nowadays. Actually, in Sanskrit language, there are two b sounds. One is b, ba, and one is wo. And this one is wo, but nowadays this wo is not used in the Bengali language. Last one, talab-sha, sha. And this one, sh, shut, push. In Bengali, shasha. Shasha means cucumber. And shishi, small bottles. So, ja, ra, la, talab-sha. Add vowel sounds. Ja, ra, la, sa. Or ji, ri, li, si. Jo, ro, lo, so. Jo, ro, lo, so. Ju, ru, lu, su, etc. So you have learned 10 consonants. We'll learn later how to write them. Just try to memorize these consonants. Now before we come to the end of the session, 2 or 3 sentences. Tumi ke? Who are you? Tumi, you, ke, who. In Bengali sometimes we do not use verb. Here the verb missing is to be verb. Tumi ke hao. So we don't use how. Tumi ke? Who are you? Aami Roy. That means I am Roy, or my name is Roy. I am Roy. Tumi ke? I am Roy. Tumi ke? I am Rini. Tumi ke? I am Shihan. Next one. Tumi kothay thako? Where do you stay? Tumi kothay thako? Where do you stay? Where? Kothay. Tumi kothay thako? Where do you stay or where do you live? Aami Kolkataয় থাকি. I live in Kolkata. Aami Kolkataয় থাকি. Aami London এ থাকি. You can just add the place name and you can use this way. Aami Kolkataয় থাকি. Aami London এ থাকি. Aami আফ্রিকায় থাকি. Aami অস্ট্রেলিয়ায় থাকি. তুমি কোথায় থাকো? Aami নিউজিল্যান্ডে থাকি. So these are the sentences you try to remember. In our next session, we'll learn the rest of the consonants. And after that, we can give more time to conversational Bengali. So, this much today. Have a nice time and hope to see you very soon.